Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. In today's video, you guys, we are going to make spaghetti, aka shrimp scampi, okay, with a little bit of spaghetti sauce. Alright, as you can see, you guys, the plate looks so gorgeous, so good. When I tell you guys, this was the best spaghetti I ever made. Alright, as you can see here, I have everything lined up of what I'm going to use. Take a picture, screenshot, do whatever you gotta do, you guys. But like I always say, feel free to use whatever you like, okay, whatever your family likes. So that's what your girl is doing. And yeah, I have some shrimp here. Always wash your meat, your fish, your shrimp, whatever you're cooking, wash it, okay? So yeah, you guys, I am going to make my green seasoning, okay? And it's just green onion, you know, and I am using some Sazon. Like I said, you guys, feel free to use whatever season you like. You don't have to use whatever I am using. And as you can see here, I am adding my green seasoning. And when I tell you this season is 10-10, if you guys want to see like how your girl make it, like comment down below. Alright, right now I am adding some garlic butter, okay, and I am making the scampi sauce. Alright, so that's what I'm using: olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and all that good stuff. And yeah, you guys, as you can see again, I am adding my little green seasoning, the Haitian seasoning, okay? And yeah, add go ahead and add your bell pepper, all the colors, you know, whichever one you guys like. And yeah, you guys, just saute this for a little bit, and then I am gonna add some lemon juice, okay? And yep, you already know the drill. I am adding some coconut oil, as you can see. And next, we're gonna be adding our shrimp. And yeah, you guys, if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like what you see here. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to always put God first. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video, and I'll meet you guys down in the comment section below. And I love you guys always. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video.